Now we want to look at how to format our output using f-string. Okay, in order to understand that, let's try to recap what we have learned before. Let's say, for example, we want to declare a variable called guess, which is going to store what a user guesses. So say input, enter your guess. So this will display a message, enter your guess. So anything entered, be it 5, 2, 3, will be stored in a variable called guess. So let's move on. Now let me declare another variable called message. And this variable wants to store a string of message. Let's say your guess is too high. So let's print the message. Print message. So when you run this program, it will say enter your guess. The red button here is to terminate your program. Let's say you don't want to run the program again, you want to terminate it, it will terminate. So enter your guess. Let's say the guess is 12. So after entering the guess, there's no logic. The next thing is to print the message, your guess is too high. So once you press enter, it will say your guess is too high. Now what if I want to say your guess, which is the guess you enter? Let's say, for example, 12. I want to say your guess 12 is too high. Can I just say, okay, your guess, what is the variable name of the guess, which is storing 12? It is also guess. So it can be any name. I can say user underscore guess. So I want to say your guess, which is user guess, that is 12. Your guess 12 is too high. I will come here and say your guess, then the user underscore guess. So this should give me your guess 12 is too high if the user enters 12. Let's try to run. Let's enter 12. Press enter. Can you see? It says your guess, instead of saying 12, it says user guess, because this user guess is part of the string. So, and everything in the quotation will be printed just as it is written. So in order to solve this challenge, what we need to do is to use f-string. I will come here and put my f. Then I'll open a curly brace. Then instead of having this user guess in the string, I will put it in the opening and closing curly brace. So here, the user guess now is seen as a variable. So I say your guess 12 is too high. Don't forget, in order to achieve this, you have to use the f string. You put f before the quotation. Then the variable name you want to insert into the string, you put the variable inside an opening and closing curly brace. So let's try this again. Enter your guess 12. So the next thing we are expecting is to print the message, your guess 12 is too high. Can you see? Your guess 12 is too high. And if I like, I don't need to put this as a message. I can just put it in my print function. Just say f-string, double quotation, your guess, then you open your curly brace and close it. What is the variable? User guess. Then outside the curly brace is too high. Everything is within the string, but I'm able to insert a variable inside the string with the help of the f. So let's run. 12. Your guess 12 is too high.